Have you ever wondered what Cardano is and how it works? Well, let's dive right in. Cardano is a decentralized platform that operates on its own cryptocurrency known as ADA. Imagine a world where transactions are secure, seamless, and scalable. That's the vision Cardano brings to life. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Cardano apart? It's an open source project, folks. This means anyone can contribute, allowing for a diverse and collaborative development process. But the real cherry on top? It's designed to provide a more secure and scalable infrastructure, tailor-made for the development and execution of smart contracts. These are essentially digital agreements that execute automatically when certain conditions are met. This innovative approach ensures a smooth and secure transaction process. So, in a nutshell, Cardano is a unique cryptocurrency platform with a focus on security and scalability. Stay tuned as we explore more about this exciting digital frontier. But how does Cardano actually work? It all hinges on the blockchain. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a blockchain? Think of it as a digital ledger, a transparent and secure record of transactions. Each block in the chain contains a list of these transactions, and once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively. This technology forms the backbone of cryptocurrency networks, including Cardano. So how is Cardano's blockchain different? Well, it's all about the architecture. Most blockchain networks operate on a single layer, but Cardano employs a unique two-layered structure. The first layer is the Cardano Settlement Layer, or CSL. This layer is responsible for handling all the cryptocurrency transactions. It's where the actual transfer of ADA, Cardano's native cryptocurrency, takes place. Then we have the second layer, the Cardano Computation Layer, or CCL. This is where the magic of smart contracts happens. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. They automate and streamline complex transactions and agreements, eliminating the need for a middleman. It's like having a robotic lawyer, accountant, and notary all rolled into one. Now, why have two layers instead of one? The answer lies in the separation of concerns. By keeping the transaction ledger and smart contract computation separate, Cardano ensures that changes in one layer do not disrupt the operations of the other. This division allows for greater flexibility and security. It also makes updates and modifications easier to implement without affecting the entire network. In essence, this two-layered structure is like a well-oiled machine where each part performs its designated function efficiently. The CSL ensures smooth and secure cryptocurrency transactions, while the CCL handles the complexities of smart contracts. Together, they make Cardano not just a cryptocurrency, but a technological platform that can drive the future of finance and business. This two-layered architecture allows Cardano to perform functions efficiently and securely. Now let's delve into one of Cardano's defining features, its unique proof-of-stake algorithm, Ouroboros. To understand Ouroboros, we first need to grasp the concept of proof-of-stake. In the world of cryptocurrencies, proof-of-stake is a consensus mechanism, a way that cryptocurrency blockchain networks achieve agreement on the validity of transactions. It's like a democratic voting system, where the more of a certain cryptocurrency you hold, the more voting power you have. But instead of casting ballots, you're validating transactions and creating new blocks in the blockchain. What sets Ouroboros apart from other proof-of-stake algorithms? Well, it's all about the approach. While traditional proof-of-stake systems randomly select validators based on the number of coins they hold, Ouroboros adds another layer to this process. It divides physical time into epochs, which are then split into slots, kind of like turning time into a cyclical calendar. Slot leaders are elected for each slot and are responsible for adding blocks to the blockchain. This time-based approach is more than just an innovative take on proof-of-stake. It offers greater energy efficiency and security. The energy issue is a significant one. Traditional proof-of-work systems, like the one used by Bitcoin, are notorious for consuming vast amounts of energy, equivalent to that of small countries. Ouroboros, on the other hand, operates with a fraction of that energy, making Cardano a greener choice in the crypto space. But it doesn't stop there. Ouroboros also provides enhanced security. It's designed to be resilient against malicious attacks, with a rigorous selection process for slot leaders and a built-in mechanism to prevent any one entity from controlling the majority of stake. In essence, Ouroboros is a testament to Cardano's commitment to creating a sustainable and secure cryptocurrency platform. Its unique approach to proof of stake not only sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies, but also paves the way for a more sustainable and secure future in the world of blockchain. It's cleverly designed, thoughtfully implemented, and a shining example of the innovation at the heart of Cardano. Ouroboros is a testament to Cardano's commitment to creating a sustainable and secure cryptocurrency platform. A key component of Cardano's infrastructure is its smart contracts, but what role does ADA, Cardano's native cryptocurrency, play in all this? Smart contracts, in essence, are self-executing contracts where the terms of the agreement are written into code. They are the backbone of any blockchain platform that aims to offer more than just a medium for transactions. With Cardano, these smart contracts are built on a platform designed to deliver more advanced features than any protocol previously developed. But how do these smart contracts actually work in the Cardano ecosystem? Well, it's all about automation and trust. Once a smart contract is deployed on the Cardano blockchain, it can automatically execute transactions according to predetermined rules. There's no need for a middleman. And since the contract's code is transparent and immutable, all parties can trust that the contract will run as agreed. This is where ADA comes into play. ADA is Cardano's native cryptocurrency, and it serves a dual purpose. First, ADA is used for transactions within the network. Whether you're participating in a decentralized app, sending money, or executing a smart contract, you'll be using ADA. But ADA's role goes beyond just facilitating transactions. ADA is also used as a stake in Cardano's unique proof-of-stake model. This means that ADA holders have a say in the network's operation, including the validation of transactions and the development of new blocks. The more ADA you hold, the greater your influence over the network's operation. In this way, ADA serves as the fuel that powers Cardano's ecosystem. It's used to reward network participants, pay for transactions, and stake in the network's operation. This gives ADA holders a real stake in the future of the Cardano network, incentivizing them to participate actively and positively in its development. So to sum it up, smart contracts are the engine that drives Cardano's advanced capabilities, and ADA is the fuel that powers this engine. ADA is the lifeblood of Cardano, facilitating transactions and enabling the operation of smart contracts. Cardano's innovative features are impressive, but what does the future hold for this cryptocurrency platform? As we gaze into the crystal ball, one thing is clear. Cardano's future is bright. It's a system designed to evolve and adapt, embracing the changing landscape of digital currencies while staying true to its core values of security, scalability, and decentralization. The Cardano Roadmap, which outlines the platform's strategic direction, is an ambitious one. It's a testament to the team's vision for a blockchain that's not just robust and versatile, but also sustainable. The roadmap is divided into 5 eras: Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire. Each era is named after a notable figure in history, reflecting the project's commitment to innovation and progress. We've journeyed through the Byron and Shelley eras, witnessing the birth and maturation of the Cardano blockchain. Now in the Gauguin era, we're seeing the integration of smart contracts and the expansion of Cardano's capabilities. But what about the future? The upcoming Basho era promises enhanced scalability and interoperability. It's all about improving the infrastructure, making the network more robust and capable of handling increased demand. Then we'll move on to the Voltaire era, where the focus will shift to governance. The goal is to ensure that Cardano remains sustainable and independent in the long run. The introduction of a treasury system and voting mechanisms will enable the community to decide on the platform's future developments. Above all, Cardano aims to solve some of the most pressing issues in the world of digital currencies: interoperability, sustainability, and governance. It's a tall order, but if there's one thing we've learned, it's that Cardano is not afraid of challenges. Whether it's creating a bridge between different cryptocurrencies, reducing the environmental impact of blockchain technologies, or giving power back to the people, Cardano is stepping up to the plate. The future of Cardano is promising, with its focus on creating a sustainable, secure, and scalable cryptocurrency platform. It's not just about revolutionizing the digital currency space, It's about creating a better, more inclusive financial system for everyone. So, we've explored the world of Cardano, but what are the key takeaways? As we wrap up our discussion, let's recount the major points we've unearthed about this intriguing cryptocurrency. Firstly, Cardano's unique two-layer architecture sets it apart from other blockchain technologies. It separates the ledger of transactions from the computation of smart contracts, promoting efficiency and security. Secondly, the Ouroboros algorithm, Cardano's proof-of-stake method, is an innovative solution that makes the network more sustainable and scalable than traditional proof-of-work systems. Thirdly, ADA, the native cryptocurrency of Cardano, plays an integral role in the network, driving transactions and enabling users to participate in the system's governance. Lastly, the future of Cardano holds immense potential. As it continues to evolve and develop, it is poised to offer solutions to many of the current limitations in the blockchain space. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, Cardano stands out with its innovative and forward-thinking approach.